Different starting lineup for the Pangasinan Heat Waves, while Ilagan,
The length floor transition defense. Another one right here.
Milencio turns it over. Alan Mina turns defense into offense. Olegario had 22 points in their game against Bulacan. Santos is left wide open by Vic Manuel, and Alex Santos makes him pay.
If we talk about
From the free throw line by Lervin Flores, he exempts himself from extending his total in this game, while J.R. Olegario says, looky here. Art drives to his strong side, kicks it to the corner. Dyke, he has that shot.
Yeah.
Dyke swishes it through.
there was a game.
Not take the three, hands it off instead to Gia. 5 on the shot clock. Galliano has to take it, and he makes it. Josh Galliano from the outside.
So far, that's where the separate.
By Siha,
Agree.
really big reason why they won that title a few years ago. De La Cruz, though, breaking the chin.
Where you have one of your bigs rising.
Ooh. Alan Mina laces up a three-point shot. 59 to 57. Pangasinan down by a basket, but now Gab Gomez makes it a two-possession ball game with that steal and finish. And that perhaps maintain this advantage. Olegario, though, would want to tie things up, and he does with that booming three-point shot from the corner.
Oregon's got to do that now in the absence of Art.
Gomez, he's missed his last two. But he will not hesitate on this one. He knocks it down. Gab Gomez. Dyke, 18-footer.
Oh, that's going to be short.
Air ball. Santos is there. Scores on the reverse.
It's the role players have.
The Cowboys get a steal. Alan Mina, this could be big. Alan Mina knocks down the three-point shot. The Cowboys up by 8. Against Jake Collado. The handoff to Alan Mina. Mina finds Giab, and Giab will score! We're all tied up at 94!
Oh, wow.
Basketball against Josh Giab. De Gregorio finds Mapunak, and Mapunak gets the 2 points! 96 to 94! No timeout for the Cowboys. The heat for Mina. And that's gonna do it. The Heat Waves. This entire coaching staff has been